Hi guys! So last night, turns out I'm still gonna be making videos but not that much. So last night I made cinnamon paper doll. She looks so cute. And I made a video on my dad's phone. He posted it on YouTube too, but it didn't show up on my channel. So I'm making another video with Cinnamon, and I made a second one. She's my favorite in Sanrio. I'm gonna be making more, but I'm gonna give them to my classmates because they want some. Anyways, bye!
Tapos biglang dumaan po sila sa harap ko.
And
Tapos biglang nagkatinginan po kami ng lalaki.